Hey, hello. Hello, YouTube. This is Erin at Erin Takes on Life, and today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY for a nail stand. Now, of course, most of the nail stands that you see on the market today look like this. Nice, cool diamond. I believe this one glass, not diamond, but in our minds it's diamond. This particular one is about 80 millimeters, which is a perfect fit for the hand. They do sell some that are a little bit larger than this as well, 100 and up, but the 100 millimeters and up, but the 80 millimeter unit actually is probably around maybe 3 to about 3.5 inches in its diameter. And oftentimes it doesn't come with a stand, which can be a pain in the butt if you're trying to like do a picture. It's a little awkward. So they do sell the stand, but of course the stand and this together is about anywhere from maybe about 15 to $20 depending upon what color you get and the size as well. So for months, I have been thinking of a way that I can, of course, DIY a nail stand because I love hearts and I wanted to have a stand that reflected a heart and also didn't break the bank. I mean, $15-$20 isn't a lot of money, but when you think about all of the additional supplies that you can or could get with that to DIY stuff with, you think about things a little bit differently. So I was cruising in my local Dollar Tree and I found this. I believe it's a picture frame, and I don't know if it'll actually, like, the insides will move around any or a bit, but it has like a little saying um, on the inside. So, of course, I don't like the little colorway that's there on the photo. So, I was trying to think of a way that I could actually change it out and was wondering if I could use it for a nail stand because, again, this works perfectly. You get your whole hand up on there, thumb, everything, and it's cute. She cute. So one day I was looking at it. I was like, oh, I really wish I could change the sign that's on the inside. And lo and behold, Dollar Tree always comes through. You'll probably find this. It does say decor, so I'm assuming it'll be like in the decor section. I found it in my local Dollar Tree near where the candles were, and they didn't have a whole lot of them. So just to show you how this works, of course, you take the back off, you sort of kind of pop it there from the hinge that it's connected to. And once it comes off, the little insert, you are the best. They had some other sayings too. um, Comes out very easily. So you go ahead and sit your DIY nail stand over there. Now the next part is fairly easy. You can take a picture that you have and cut it out to size, the same exact size. This is going to be your template. Or you could actually print out a photo or logo that you would like to use. So in my case, I'm going to use the Erin Takes on Life logo that I created, and I am going to place my other template or the template over my logo, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now, because I am not the greatest cutter, I'm going to do this off camera so I do not embarrass myself. Now, this image size here is actually, I think, wallet size 2x3. I tried printing out some of the larger sizes. This is a 3 3 by 3.5, I think, maybe. But you can see that doesn't quite fit all the way. My logo sort of kind of goes around the top there, and it sort of kind of pokes out on the sides. So you want to make sure that whatever photo or logo you put will fit. And for me, for my needs, the wallet size actually fits. So I'm going to cut this off camera and I'll be right back. All right, YouTube, we're back from our cutting break, and now I'm just going to show you how to reassemble this DIY nail stand. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your image that you cut and take the other image in which you use. Now, of course, because I'm using regular printer paper, the image from before sort of kind of shines through. I don't know if you guys can see that, or shows through a little bit. So I don't want that, because again, I told you I didn't like this sign in the beginning. So I'm just going to put the white portion up against my logo sign here, or logo photo. And then I am just going to place it back into my little DIY stand. All right, I think that might be it. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, it looks really good with the logo. And again, you can put a photo there. And it's ready for you to polish your nails. Now, since I made this video the first time, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I actually polished my nails with one of my favorite polishes, which is the Sally Hansen Instant Dry from the Jelly Belly line, number 673 2D Fruity. I like this because generally you get pretty good coverage if you are using it as a sort of kind of top coat, or even just on your nail. I get more coverage on this than I do most of my other glitter polishes. So the way you want to use your DIY nail stand is you want to, of course, position your hand at whatever angle you are completely comfortable with. And then you want to come in with your polish and just paint your nails as you normally would. So I'm just going to polish right over top of my other coat that I did in my non-recorded video. Of course, the kids are out of school, and they were yelling and screaming, and I lost my focus for a second. Okay. Now, I am not the world's best polisher, or a professional, but I think I do okay. All right. So I'm just gonna make sure I get every nail here. And as you can see, it's just so easy for me to move and position my nails around, or my fingers around, to get to my nails. And it's so cost effective. Now, I do know that once this video goes out, and my crafting warriors, my brothers and sisters out there that love to craft, these will probably go rather quickly. So please make sure that you get a couple of these. If there are any at my local stores, I will be making sure to maybe get another one just to have. could even give it as a gift. It's super cute. And something that you can personalize. You can take photos with it, have your logo in the background. You know, we always have to keep that business mindset. And when it's not in use, which is like one of the most coolest things, is you can stand it up. So it even looks good as it's standing, either down or up. I mean, you really can't beat this. So, again, make sure that you head out, you get you a couple of these, and you start your Dollar Tree DIY project. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos as always. I also would really appreciate it if you could leave a comment below. Let me know how you plan to use this.